Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to prepare an ink container with dry ink powder. In a previous video I have shown how to make an ink container from a liquid calligraphy ink. In this video I will show you how to prepare with ink powder. So first of all we need a jar and we will take out this ink powder and fill in the jar as per your requirement. You can fill the jar with the powder ink, and then you will need a liquor, because when you will dip the column into the ink, so it will the column will take the ink properly. So for this I have two type of liquor, one is silk liquor and one is cotton liquor thread. So I will use cotton liquor thread in this. Like this, and I will take some more ink powder. Then I will fill this with water. Then with a stick I will mix it up well. So the powder will dilute in the water with liquor. And now our ink container is prepared. So I will try to write with this. So it's working fine with column, and after every time use you have to keep it airtight, and whenever you start again the calligraphy, so you have to mix it up well with any stick, so powder will dilute properly in the liquid, and it will go for a long life. And as per your requirement you can add the powder again. So this is the tutorial. Thanks for watching.